Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Jaybealennux and we are going to be learning how to make a double-decker sandwich. So let's get started. Now we are, oh yay! As you can hear, our toast is done. So we are using some rye bread. We'll be using 3 pieces of rye bread. First off, let's go ahead and get this started. We are using some Herman's real mayonnaise. Go ahead and start that off. The bottom right there. Then we have some Mickleberry ham. Smoked ham, actually, by the way. We have some Kraft cheese. We have some pretty shredded, just regular iceberg lettuce. You can use romaine, whatever your choice may be. Go ahead and slice that up, but then we're going to go ahead and layer it on. Then we are going to use some red, actually here, red bell pepper. Then we have some red onion to go ahead and throw on top of that. Then we have 2, count them 2, kosher dill pickles. Yes, we do. These are sandwich slice pickles. Oh my gosh, so delicious. Then for the grand finale, now we are going to add mustard onto 1 slice of this bread. Make sure you line up the sandwich. Okay, here. We got some lettuce. Go ahead and tip it over right there. So since we've already completed that part, now we're going to stack on the next one. So this is going to be a total of 3 slices. Now we're going to do the same process in the same order. Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, here. Matter of fact, here. Ooh. That went one of our pickles. You didn't see that. I forgot to mention we are adding turkey into this. So there we go. We're putting turkey before we put that second piece of bread in there. So again, here we go. So when we have some turkey, we have our Kraft cheese, then we have our wonderful, delightful iceberg lettuce. We have our red onion. We have our peppers. Beautiful, beautiful. We're going to go ahead and throw in some more of our lettuce on there. Now, so that way it's not too dry, you can go ahead and just add just a little bit more mayo. Not too much. You really don't want it to be like, ugh. Depends on how much of a mayo lover you are. You can either add or subtract that. You can add or subtract the mustard. It depends on you. Then we are going to add our pickles, and then we are going to top it off. Yes. Then you have one hell of a sandwich right here. Look at that. That is your double-decker sandwich. And yes, you will get very full. You can add a side to it like some chips or a nice side of fruit. The choice is yours. Now, we can slice this in half. Now, what will also hold this together very well. Put this together. I did not have this already ready. Just to keep this all the way together. Is some toothpicks. Make sure you leave the toothpick kind of sticking out because you don't really want to bite into it, because I kind of just lost my toothpick. I found it. It will hold the sandwich in place, but I know where my toothpick is. I don't want to bite into it later. And I guess I didn't cut it all the way through. there you have it, your double-decker sandwich. Like, follow, subscribe, enjoy. Oh, there goes my onions. I'm gonna have to go and put those things right back. Very quick, simple, very easy, very delightful, very enjoying. And yes, you can, like I said, put a side of fruit. You can go ahead and put a side of some chips. You can go ahead and do that same order with a much larger roll of bread. You can do that with subs. The choice of yours. The choice of bread is yours. This is a wheat bread. This is a Nature's Own. Well, no, it's not a wheat bread. It's a rye bread. It's from Nature's Own. And again, it is amazing. Please never mind that the kosher dill pickle that I had dropped on the floor. It meant to go in the sandwich, but it's not going back in there. I will clean that up later. Like, follow, share, subscribe. I hope you do enjoy this, and I hope that this channel is very educational for you. I have so much more to show you. And you have a great day. When you grow, I grow, we grow together.